Every time we go to playgroup, my little one has one mission and one mission only: to locate the biscuit plate. The moment we walk in, she scans the room, locks eyes on the snacks, and makes a beeline straight for them. And once she's seen them, there's no leaving without a biscuit in hand. Now, I don't mind the occasional treat, it's all part of the fun, but I do prefer to make our own at home. That way, I know exactly what's in them and I can make sure they're actually good for her, not just packed with sugar and random additives. So I came up with these healthy toddler biscuits: no sugar, no dairy, no nuts, and completely vegan. They're easy to make, super tasty, and perfect for little hands. This recipe really is as easy as it gets. Just mix, roll, cut, and bake. No fancy techniques, no hours in the kitchen. It's perfect for busy parents, or in my case, someone who loves a quick and fuss-free bake. We're using whole grain flour for extra fiber, ground flax seeds for a boost of healthy fats, and applesauce as a natural sweetener. That means no refined sugar, but still a lovely, gentle sweetness that's perfect for little taste buds. I also used a bit of olive oil for moisture, a splash of vegan milk, some baking powder for a lift, and warm spices, cinnamon and ginger, to make them extra delicious. You don't need an electric mixer for this, just grab a bowl, throw everything in, mix it up, and you're good to go. It's the kind of recipe that toddlers can actually help with too. They can stir or press out the dough. I'll leave the full list of ingredients in the description below for you to follow. When it comes to feeding toddlers, I feel like the options out there can be a bit of a minefield. You want something convenient but also nutritious, something they'll actually eat but not full of junk. It's a fine balance. That's why I love making snacks like this at home. It gives me full control over the ingredients, no weird additives, no refined sugars, just simple, wholesome foods that nourish them properly. Plus, when you make your own, you can tweak the flavors and textures to suit your little one's preferences. If they're teething and like things softer, you can adjust. If they love cinnamon, you can add more. Most of the time, toddlers are unpredictable eaters. One day they'll eat absolutely anything, the next day they act like you're trying to poison them with the exact same meal. So having easy, healthy snacks on hand is always a win. With shop-bought biscuits, you don't always know what's in them. Even the so-called healthy ones have sneaky sugars and preservatives to make them last longer on the shelf. When you make your own, you know exactly what's going in, just real good for you ingredients. And let's be honest, homemade biscuits just taste better. They're fresher, they're made with love, and you can tweak them however you like. If you want them crispier, bake them a little longer. For a softer texture, you can reduce the bake time. I baked mine for 12 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, and it gave me the right amount of crisp. Then I left them to cool completely to crisp up even more. These biscuits are perfect as a snack on their own, or you can serve them alongside a dip such as hummus. They're great for lunchboxes, picnics, or just for handing to your little one in between meal times. So there you have it, quick, easy, and actually healthy biscuits that toddlers love. Give them a go and let me know how your little ones like them. And if you're looking for more simple, fuss-free recipes, don't forget to subscribe because I post a new video every week. I'll be sharing plenty more ideas for toddlers this year to keep snack times interesting. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!